Hi, are you UI UX designer? I got you. And you're looking for different design patterns with real time examples? This is the website for you. The website name is ui.garage. You can use this website like different design patterns with real time examples. You can find this one, and there are some free UI kits also available. This is the website UI Garage. You need to go this one and you have to search for it in the Google and you will get this one. Here you can try for this pattern, new patterns. You will get all kind of patterns here. What you want, you can search it here. What platform sorted by everything categories, and you will get some examples and articles also. You can read some articles that which is suits for you, which is suits some people. They like UI, some people they want UX. This kind of things all are available. And one more thing, there are some free UI kits also available. You can use for it. See here, free UI kits. You can use this one. This all really helpful for you if you are a beginner and if you want to learn about UI and UX. You can follow this one also and you can sign up and you can use this account. Thanks for watching. Follow for more.